Good morning, ma'am. I am Yashaswini from class 8. I am here to talk about Pythagoras. Pythagoras of Samos was a famous Greek mathematician and philosopher. He is known best for the proof of the important Pythagorean theorem, which is about right angle triangles. He started a group of mathematicians called the Pythagoreans. He had a great impact on mathematics, theory of music, and astronomy. His theories are still used in mathematics today. He was one of the greatest thinkers of his time. Pythagoras was born in Samos, a little island of the western coast of Asia Minor. There is not much information about his life. It is said that he had a good childhood, growing up with two or three brothers. He was well educated. He did not agree with the government and their schooling. So he moved to Croton and set up a community of followers. After joining the community, his students stayed silent for 5 years and they did not have any personal positions. Pythagoras taught them all and they had to obey strict rules. Some say he was the first person to use the term philosophy since he worked very closely with his groups. The Pythagoreans, it is sometimes hard to tell his works from those of his followers. He was well educated, learning to play the lyre, learning poetry, and to recite Homer. There were among his teachers three philosophers who were to influence Pythagoras while he was a young man. One of the most important was Pherecydes, whom many describe as the teacher of Pythagoras. Pythagoras founded a school known as the semicircle. Here, semios debated matters of public concern. The school became so renowned that the brightest minds in all of Greece came to Samos to hear Pythagoras teach. Pythagoras may have been killed during this persecution, or he may have escaped to Metaphontum and died there. The death of Pythagoras is a fascinating story. Pythagoras was killed by a mob led by a wealthy local nobleman who wanted to become a member of the Pythagorean Brotherhood but who was turned down by Pythagoras because he was a self-evident moron. It was in Croton where Pythagoras had a brotherhood. When the Moronic nobleman named Cylon was rejected by Pythagoras, he influenced lots of local people and created mobs. Those went to burn the houses of the Pythagorean Brotherhood. Pythagoras died in Metaphontum in Italy. Thank you.